What you think, man? What you think about this self-driving Tesla?
What is this? Steve then came out with mystery boxes. And we out here or something, but we just got to eat some great food. Just had a great time. I'm sitting here with some great people. We got the original DoorDash driver right here. We got Hannibal is hungry right there. We got Mr. Bet On You himself in the flesh. What up? And you got FDA, the best of all, the main attraction, okay? That's what you gotta realize. See, I show you everybody else, but it do kind of, it's messed up. I just take the case off. I should just. Alrighty, guys, we here. GigCon 2023. We gonna be checking out Moves, Solo, Gig Wars Official, and we gonna be here with Mr. Bet On You, Hannibal is Hungry, and a bunch of other people here in the gig economy. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button, guys. Let's get right to it. What's up, guys? Look at that. Boom, we got some merch right there. Look, what? Man, stop playing with me. You know this is for FDA right here. Look at that. That is G. Let's get it. GigCon 2023 is beginning. Look at all the people showing up. Yeah, stop playing with us. Building the community. We gotta have a little look real quick. That's what we getting into today, guys. Full lineup. What's up, man? Go ahead and introduce yourself to the channel.
Hey, my name is Ronald Coleman. I'm out of Hawaii. Dash Your Life is my channel. DoorDasher Boots at Dash Your Life. I made 114,000. And I'm on pace right now to make 125 this year alone.
Hey, he on the road to $1 million right there. So if that ain't inspiration, I don't know what is. And right here we got the man himself, Hannibal is Hungry. Hannibal, what tips you got for anybody coming new to the gig economy, right?
Link up with as many people as possible who's doing it already. Ask for advice. Experiment, try different times of the day, but definitely link up with community.
Average hourly pay, $15, 13 cents.
From 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., I only take large order program.
Hello, so I'm Antonio. I drive, and I'm actually, for me, it's actually worth being premier driver.
Yeah.
All right, this is Bentley Coupe, DoordashDiaries, T3D. I'm in the building. That's your trader. Y'all already know. I know y'all ain't expect to see this, right? But we giving it to them. We gonna talk about that in a second. All right, so 2 tips for my brand new driver. My first tip is to set a realistic goal, okay? Days of doing $3,000, $4,000 a week may not work for you in your market. You need to get out there. You need to test it a little bit, and based off of what you're doing out there, you need to set a realistic goal. Right, and then number 2 is a classic one. You need to have a blacklist. Going to any and every restaurant, you're not making no money. I can look at you and tell you broke if you go into every restaurant.
They live out here in Denver, obviously.
Guys, we got Gemma right here with Solo. We're gonna be doing some partnerships with Solo coming up, guys. So Sarah Elizabeth, look at her, superstar.
We currently offer all-in-one banking features that includes a business Visa debit card that makes managing your gig payouts in your business easier. That wraps up the tips for this. Status gonna take my next. And lastly, a couple of other new features coming to the Moves app.
What's up, guys? My name is Sarah Elizabeth. One tip to give new drivers: to work at your own pace. Gig work, you could literally work around the clock, so use that as your advantage.
If you're trying to figure out whether you're going to do this full-time or part-time, if you're going part-time, just try to use the vehicle you have. If you're full-time, cash car. Don't take out loans to get a vehicle and set aside money so you can upgrade your car with cash only.
This is the official Gig Wars.
Sign up for as many apps as you can. Find out which app is the best in your market. Learn it and learn it well.
Alrighty, so we about to check out the Tesla self-driving experience. My homie Tony, the driven dad, is about to go ahead and pull up and show us what's going on. I'm excited for this one, guys. It's a car that can drive itself. It's basically doing the gig work. That must be the future pulling up to me right now. Look at that. You walk up, you look at that. It don't even got a door handle. I don't know if I should. Do I wave? Is it like oh my? So you do this and then that? Oh my goodness, look at that. And then when you hop in, look at this, guys. He got the screen right there. Everything, this is clean, guys. So look, if you want to check out the Tesla self-driving experience, make sure you head on over to the Driven Dash channel. That's what I call navigation heads-up display. What? We going that far? So you ain't gotta do nothing, it just drives? This is crazy. This car finna drive itself. Look at that. It just know everything in the world already. Oh my goodness, do y'all see this? That steering wheel is moving by itself. I'm gonna say, hey Tesla, pull up on me. What? Look at this. This car is driving itself. So note to self, the Tesla does not understand manual hand gestures on the road. See, the Tesla is cautious. It want to make sure that
Back road, was that 138?
Tesla don't recognize their hand out the window, sir.
Press line up.
Oh wow, you can see the brake lights on that thing.
Yeah.
Wow, so you can put it in like what was that standard mode? It got chill, average, and assertive. Put my Tesla in beast mode. Turn that turn it from we cool to stop playing with me.
What you think, man? What you think about this self-driving Tesla?
What you think, my brother?
That is amazing.
Man.
That blows my mind.
I mean,
Wow.
they be hating on Elon Musk, but man, give me one step closer to this, I have to do it. It's electric, right?
Yeah.
Charge it up.
I watched
Oh, that's to prevent you from being in the back seat. Gotcha. I'll drive like a beta, but I'm throwing this thing in an assertive mode. So this what he said. He's gonna put it in manual, take over, put us back on the highway, get us up to speed, and let it take over. Man,
first in line.
Denver is nice. I love it, and now I get the Tesla experience.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So, come see me if I have your size. If I don't, I can still gift you one. Maybe an hour or so. The timing isn't all the way right, but we're going to be having a discussion that I want you guys to hear. We're going to be talking about DoorDash, consumers, tipping, the future of DoorDash. We're going to have an open dialogue. We're going to get Family Cube's perspective on DoorDash a little bit.
That's what I'm saying. They're gonna come in. They're gonna come in because they want to get to the money. You feel me? Now, the people that want to travel, they might not watch it. You feel me? Because they trying to travel. They're not necessarily trying to hustle like that ain't in them. You feel me? Right? Like they want to chill. They want to relax. So they might gravitate more towards them as a whole. But for you, they might still watch a video. They can figure out your people, who your people are. They literally, it's a thing in our YouTube studio, and it says your best time to post this video is between 6 and 9 on Monday, and it'll tell you whatever they need to so that you can succeed. So they're gonna give you that information, but you gotta make sure that you set aside some time and analyze what's working, what's not working. You feel me? And set aside some time to plan. So
You said about how do you engage? Look, when you start making your videos and you start getting those comments, comment to every single one you can, because when you start out, it's very possible to hit every single comment. Not so easy once you get going. Okay, so I can't stress it enough. Those first people that watch your videos and they comment, and where's Cray Cray? Your very first channel member, like we got the crew here. We got bro right here. We got bro right there. We got the Onion Volcano right there. Whose birthday is it? Told me I was gonna order just enough. Look at that, we got the rice, we got the lo mein, and we got some chicken right here. That's all I need. You know, they tried to run the one, so they're trying to make me spend all that money. But they mean, you know, I don't need that. Cause what you gotta realize is, I ain't never done nothing like this, okay? I'm from the hood, okay? So this is enough for me, all right? I told them give me shrimp fried rice. They looked at me like I was crazy. You know what I'm saying? Look, with that lo mein, I don't know what was going on, but everything else was on point. What you think, bro? How you like that steak?
It's alright. Shred is alright. It could be a little bit. It's alright.
Hey, they threw me off guard. I didn't say it was nasty. I just wasn't prepared. I need a little preparation when you're gonna throw some little tang in my lo mein. I ain't know what was going on. This, he got the double catering bags in the back. This one got the 6-cup drink holder right there. What you know about that? Stop playing with me. Then he got the foam in here for extra, you know, support and keep everything padded. That is awesome. Then what we got over here? So he got the covering over the window, so you know he be out here. You know he be out here. Look at that. Stop playing with me, bro. Look at that. My man got a whole bed in here. What? It's crazy, bro. I'm about to steal this idea.
Look at the way this is set up.
And then he got the that's a desk. You do this like this?
I just made it. I used to make speaker boxes.
That is dope. Do y'all see this? This man literally turned his car into a dash mobile. But then what is this on top? He got a whole tent set up on top of the Jeep, guys. Look at this. This is real. This is how we out here getting it in the gig economy, guys. Look, he got the rack set up on back. They is ready to go across the country in something like this. This pulls out. He can set up a whole tent within 4 minutes, and he got a pull down ladder. Stop playing. They got it going on, man. This is awesome, bro. Now what you be putting on there? Ah, that's crazy.
Oh, too?
What? Stack them waters.
Check
it
out.
Look at that. Bow, they got it going on. So they got this little railing right here. You can check on up here. They got the bookcase. They got it going on. What you might want to read you something. What's this, vegetarian? We're going to go ahead and check it out. So they got how to cook everything vegetarian. See, what you got to realize is they're going to hook you up. They're going to make sure you know everything you need to know. We're going to go ahead and slide that right back up in there. Because we ain't trying to mess up the ambiance. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Get back in there. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Now, on to the next part. I got some nice, lovely sofas and couches right over here, along with a nice table and some fine reading choices right there. And over here, we got a nice little select bar where you can go ahead and get you some drink real quick. Maybe you need some hand sanitizer. Let's get some of that. Boom. Hold on, now, I know I'm FDA, but is that a motherfucking bidet?
Yes, sir.
I say I'll be damn. They spraying booty up in this motherfucker. God damn, boy, your booty gonna be as clean as it's ever been.
Of course, it's got a futon in it, right?
Like it's already set up for it. Oh my god.
Yeah, somebody does some filming from there, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know what
What
to
is
say.
what is this?
was
Steve then came out with mystery boxes and surprises. We don't even. Okay, let's do it. Boom.